Hey everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 17. So you have two ways of doing so. At first, we have to hold our finger in the background in our home screen and tap Edit in the top left corner. Tap Edit Wallpaper here, and now we have here the colors. As you can see, you can edit the colors of the background of our wallpaper. Apart from that, we can tap blur or unblur the background, or tap photo and select the photo we want to actually set as the wallpaper. Now, as you can see, you can pinch to crop, and when you are done, we can tap done in the top right corner. Now done once again, and here, as you can see, our background, our wallpaper is only set to the home screen because we have it to the home screen. To edit both of them at once, we can do it either on the lock screen or here. Go to photos, go to our photo we want to set as the photo that we want to take as the wallpaper. We have to tap this share button, and here now we have to tap use as wallpaper. Now, as you can see, we have here the live photo, and apart from that, we can pinch to crop. As I said earlier, we can add widgets, edit clock, and here we can tap to remove the live photo. Here now we can even set the filters for that, and when we are done, we can tap done in the top right corner. Here we can tap now set as wallpaper pair, and now our wallpaper is set. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.